Hi, I'm Dan Polimino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am in the Mauna Lani Resort, and my friend Tomo Matsumoto with Hapuna Realty was gracious enough to let us take a look and get a sneak preview of her new listing coming up here in the Cape. Now, the Cape is a very exclusive community inside of Mauna Lani Resort. There are only 14 lots and there are about 10 homes. And this is a spectacular 5-bed, 5-bath, almost 5,000 square feet with private access to the beach club. Let's go in and take a look. I told you, it's fabulous, right? Unbelievable views, great pool, great entertaining area, terrific finishes. House is priced just a little over $11 million. You can do short-term vacation rentals here, although the current owners did not, but it is eligible for a short-term vacation rental permit. If you're thinking about buying here in Hawaii and you're looking for a dream home like this, right in the Mauna Lani Resort, right next to the ocean and the beach club, then contact us here at the Hawaii team, 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.